$100 à l'école, il y a bon $1000 dans ta.
Ou paye $180 à l'école, il y a oui, $1000.
Non, on met cool, non.
Ma dit, ou même attendez, mais ça mon fait. Préparer taxe là, ça vous mettez à changer.
Il change, il va mettre non.
Vous mettez au payer 1000, vous mettez
Petit film là.
Lui-même,
One second.
1080, mais 2080.
Yeah, il met plus.
Mais
Il bon, il bon que il.
Ya, et puis la parole comme petit moun yo. La parole comme petit moun yo.
Et puis, oui, plus bon $1000.
Yes, you bow.
Mais est-ce que $1000 ça, lui, il pour?
Ya, that's for the people. This film, sorry, ma malade radio là. Comment l'école là, everything going
Oh,
with
I've
you?
been going good.
It's good. You still in the nursing program? Where?
Yeah,
Yeah. You don't sound too strong.
it's going good.
Good.
Dad.
What you already CNA or RN?
I'm doing good.
You just keep doing good. That's
Yeah.
a good. That's a good. I put the A. For put the A, my busy be no A.
Straight A's, Dad.
Okay.
Straight.
Good job. Good job. You know I don't waste in no park.
Yeah.
Sit man. Ashley.
What's going on?
Ashley, est-ce que m'balle ou dans l'église?
What does anything have to do with church?
Do I not raise you to be Christian girl? A virgin. A lamb of God.
Yeah.
A wife. Kaka! To fly.
Uh-huh.
Why I see you got the thing in your nose like you a deaf and you having earring and tattoo and now I see you got dread. I know. When your mom say let her go, I say no. Because when you go, you're gonna be buck wild. What this mean? You put on you. What's this? What's this mean? Flower. Vale jardin nou gede ka la, ou a met un flower, ou ka mette sou. Men, l'autre flower. Gade, konne jardin, ça, fait ça, ou ka fait thé avec. Konne a vin mette sou badou. You put on your body. For what? You think it's making you looking pretty? Cool? See now, don't give you friend.
I've been had these.
For how long?
Dad, I've been had these.
Since in my house.
I've been had these.
Your mother know you got
I've
tattoo.
been had these.
You
I don't
been
know
had
why
them.
you acting all brand
Who
new.
money?
I've been had these.
You used to buy that.
Mine.
T'as pas sorti? Ça will.
It's fake.
On fait bloc prochain monter. Tizi. Me disposer.
You mad extra. You mad extra. Like, you so extra.